A very good morning to class 10th. How are you all? I hope you all are quite well, pretty well at home and doing your studies seriously. As I have checked the answer sheets of term 1 and I have noticed that many of you have cheated from the book or from somebody else's notebook or some PDFs. So I really shocked that why you if you can do yourself, then why you cheat from others? So this is very bad at your part. So I suggest you all to solve your question paper in your fair notebook, whether you do it yourself or by copying from the book or notebook, because when you will find out the answers yourself and write it in your fair notebook, you will come to know about the correct answers of the questions. And I will discuss the question paper after the completion of this chapter. We will discuss the question answers, the MCQs, long questions, short questions in that video. So before that, try to do yourself and solve yourself that question paper in your fair notebook. And when your notebook will come to me for checking, I will check at that time if you have done or not. So what we did in our previous videos, that is lesson 6 of book civics, political parties. And as I told you that we will cover 5 topics in that. Why do we need political parties? How many parties should we have? National parties and state parties, challenges to political parties, how can parties be reformed? So we have covered 3 topics till now. Why do we need political parties? How many parties should we have? National parties and state parties. Half of the topic third we have covered, national parties and state parties. Today we will continue with that topic, and after that we will cover topic 4 and 5, challenges to political parties and how can parties be reformed. So let's start with the third topic, national parties and state parties. I have already discussed that national parties are countrywide parties which have their units in various states, but all their units follow the same policies and programs that is decided at the national level. A party that secures 6% of total votes in the Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states and win at least 4 seats is recognized as a national party. For example, INC, BJP, BSP, CPIM, CPI, NCP. And state parties are commonly referred to as regional parties. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to legislative assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as regional party. Example: Samajwadi Party, Samta Party, Rashtriya Janata Dal, DMK, AIADMK. So this is the difference between national parties and state parties. So we have discussed about the in our previous video about the National Congress Party. And today we will discuss about the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is a national party, BJP. The BJP is the current form of erstwhile Bharatiya Janata Sangh, BJS, Indian People's Union, which was founded in October 21, 1951 by Syama Prasad Mukherjee. He believes in Indian nationalism, Hindu nationalism, integral humanism, economic liberalism, Gandhian socialism, conservation, conservatism. These are the beliefs of this party. This party came to power in 1998 as a leader of National Democratic Alliance, earlier limited to the northern and western parts of the country only. Now it spreads all over the country, and earlier it was the principal opposition party in Lok Sabha, but currently, this Bharatiya Janata Party is the ruling party of our country. The party's political symbol is a lotus. Lotus is the symbol of this party. These are the prominent main leaders of this party: Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Sushma. She is no more with us today now. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lal Krishna Advani, and Rajnath Singh. Next is Bahujan Samaj Party (BSP). It was formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanchiram. Stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. This party is mainly known for this welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. Its main base is in Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states. The party's political symbol is an elephant. You can see in this slide very well. Its chairperson is Mayawati, Secretary General is Satish Chandra Mishra, leader in Lok Sabha is Rajesh Verma, Amrish Kumar Bharti is in Rajya Sabha. These are the particulars of this party. This is the image of Mayawati. Now, Communist Party of India. It was formed in 1925. The founding members of the party were M.N. Roy, Elvin Trent Roy, Roy's wife, Abani Mukherjee, Rosa Fittingoff, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Shafiq Siddiqui, and M.P.B. Acharya. These are the founders of this Communist Party of India. It believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism, and democracy. It became weak after the split in the party in 1964. This party split it into two in 1964, so this party became weak. It has significant presence in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. The principal mass organization of the CPI are All India Trade Union Congress, All India Youth Federation, All India Students Federation, National Federation of Indian Women, All India Kisan Sabha, Peasants Organization, Bharatiya Khet Mazdoor Union, Agriculture Workers, All India State Government Employees Federation, State Government Employees. These are the principal mass organizations of CPI. CPI stands for Communist Party of India. Secretary General is A.B. Bardhan. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Political position is far left. International affiliation, International Conference of Communist and Workers' Parties. Official color is red. Alliance left front is ECI status is National Party. This is a national party. Now, Communist Party of India, Marxist CPIM. M stands for Marxist. It was founded in 1964. When this party splitted, it becomes another Communist Party of India is Marxist. And due to split in Communist Party of India, it believes in Marxism, Leninism, same beliefs, secularism and democracy, and opposes imperialism and communalism. Enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala, and Tripura, and it has been in power in West Bengal without a break for 30 years, such a long period. Secretary General Prakash Karat, leader in Lok Sabha, Vasudev Acharya, and these are the particulars of this party. These are the great leaders of this party. Now, National Congress Party. It was formed in 1999 due to the split in Indian National Congress. When Indian National Congress split it, the other party comes from it, that is National Congress Party (NCP), espouses democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice, and federalism. Its beliefs are, or all these are its beliefs. Wants that high offices in government must be confined to natural born citizens of India. It is they believe that the high offices of government must be held by the only Indian natural born citizens of India. It is a major party in Maharashtra and significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur, and Assam. A member of United Progressive Alliance. Chairperson is Sharad Pawar, now has been changed. Founded in 1999. These are the particulars of this party. Now, all these are the some recognized state parties. Earlier, we have discussed the national parties. Now, this is the slide for the state parties. Now, uh, what we will do next is who inspires the ideology. I will discuss few question answers. related in this topic. Who inspires the ideologies of BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party? The Bahujan Samaj Party draws inspiration from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Kanshiram, Mahatma Phule, and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Next important question is, what is requirement laid down by the election commission for a political party to be recognized as a state party? Yes, we have discussed this in the previous videos also. It seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj Party, which includes Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs, and religious minorities. Next question is, name the national political party which opposes secularism and welfare of weaker sections and minorities. Mention any four features of that party. Very important question. This is the national political party which espouses secularism and welfare of weaker section minorities is the Indian National Congress. Four features of this party are: founded in 1885, dominated Indian politics both at the national and state levels for several decades after India's independence, ruling party at the center till 1977, and then from 1980 to 1989. After 1989, its support declined. A centrist party, neither rightist nor leftist, it is ideological orientation. So these are the some important questions of this topic. I will give you notes of all these topics in our forthcoming videos. So please till then watch these videos which I am posted very regularly and on the regular basis. Only then you will be able to understand the concepts regarding political parties. This is a very important topic. We have studied this in class 9th and in class 10th also. So thank you class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.